I want this toy, I want this toy, and this toy.
We only have a few more weeks till Christmas. What are we gonna get the kids?
Oh, don't worry, hun. I've got it covered.
How is this gonna help?
Well, this ball is filled with toys.
What kind of toys?
I don't know. We'll have to open them to find out.
Them? How many of these did you buy?
Well, let's just say the kids are covered. And so am I.
You better start opening these up. I'll go get the wrapping paper. Okay, we have a robo-alive dinosaur. Sweet.
Oh, so sweet.
And our collector's guide. We have a robot dinosaur.
Aw,
Two
that's
dinosaurs
so
in a
cute.
row.
Look at that. Neat.
And we have a frisbee.
Oh, frisbee.
And, Crayola color crayons. 64
Oh,
pack.
crayons. Those are cute. They're so cute.
And, a bunch of balloons. Oh, they're the water balloons.
balloons.
Look, hun, here's a list of all the things we could find inside. Oh, this one would be good for Asher. And Elizabeth would like this one. Oh, and Rebecca would love this. All right, ball number 2. We have, metal machines.
Oh, look at that.
Car
It was
set.
Did you like that one?
And we have a Smashers Dino Hatchimal.
Ooh, nice.
And a Rugrats Angelica doll.
Oh, it's a little doll.
And here is a Fingerlings Narwhal. Cute.
Oh, isn't that cute?
It's a duck!
And what do we have here? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's the Golden Rubik's Cube. All right. All right, ball number 3. Here we go. We've got a metallic Rubik's Cube. Well, we're set on Rubik's Cubes.
Hey, we got 2 now.
And it's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Turtle. Oh, cute. A turtle.
And we've got a hula hoop. That's about the size for an LOL doll. And here is a ready-to-roll track for Blaze. Oh, and we have some grocery bags. All right, let's wrap this up for Asher. He'll love it. Oh my gosh, it's the Dora Explorer doll. Look
Ooh,
at
it's a
how cute
Dora
it
doll.
is.
Yay, that's the one I wanted.
And we have, oh my gosh, a bucket of slime.
Ooh, slime. Ooh.
a JoJo bow.
It's a JoJo.
Rebecca loves these. And another Blaze Ready to Roll track.
Ooh.
And what is this? Let's see here. It's a cart. All right, let's wrap Dora up for Rebecca. She'll love this. And we've got another JoJo bow.
Ooh, another
Nothing to
JoJo.
that.
Now let's go both.
Oh. It's the unicorn surprise ball.
Unicorn ball.
Cool. And we have another Robo alive dinosaur.
Ooh,
Those ones are so
another
cute.
dinosaur.
We want that.
And what is this? It's a miniature rolling basket.
Ah.
And another ready to roll. All right, let's wrap this dinosaur up for Asher. All right, I forgot which ball we're on. Oh well. Oh, we have the Crayola glue.
Oh, isn't that
I was hoping for that one.
one.
And we have another Angelica doll from the Rugrats.
Yeah, that's cute.
And more grocery bags.
Beep,
What's this one? Oh, another Smashers dinosaur Hatchimal ball.
What is that?
That's a dinosaur dion.
And another Blaze Ready to Roll. Moving on. All right, what's this one? Oh, it's the Nerf X
look at
shotgun.
that.
Oh, I like that one.
Pew, pew, pew.
And we have the Shimmer and Shine playset. And another hula hoop.
That's a necklace.
And we have the Crayola washable markers in a 10-pack. Oh, it's another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. And this one has the blue bandana. I should know the names of those turtles. All right, let's wrap this one up for Jeremy. He'll love it. Oh, here's another. Now that one was a double Ninja Turtle. And we have a Shimmer and Shine doll. And this is a unicorn fingerling. How cute. And a rollable display shelf.
Oh, it's a shelf.
Okay. Oh, it's the unicorn Hatchimals. That's cool. Elizabeth will love this. We'll just wrap that right up for her. All right, I have no idea which ball we're on at this point, but we're still going. Oh, it is the Tommy doll from Rugrats.
Ooh, it's Tommy.
And more balloons.
Oh,
Water balloons, I should say. And oh, it's the Crayola paint set. Oh, I really wanted this. And oh, It is SpongeBob Rainbow Pants. And one more here. Nickelodeon slime gun. Oh my goodness. All right, let's pop these into the stockings. And we'll place everything we wrapped under the tree. I think the kids are covered. So, I guess your surprise ball idea worked out great. Good job, honey. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.